Welcome to another video in the Surprising Shortcuts series. Today we will consider a question on geometric progression, question 8b from a 2020 Cambridge International IGCSE Add Maths paper. Here is the question. The sum of the first two terms of a geometric progression is 9. The sum to infinity is 36. All terms are positive. What is the common ratio? The standard method to solve this is to use the standard GP formulas to form two equations, and then solve for r. If instead, we get sidetracked, then we end up with the long method, where we try to find a first before finding r. This gets really messy as we end up having to solve a quadratic with complicated looking roots. Let us step back and see if we can approach this in another way. Consider a geometric progression, or GP, where terms are indicated by square boxes. Let r be the common ratio. Any term multiplied by r equals the term one position to the right. So, any term multiplied by r squared equals the term two positions to the right. If we consider the sum of these terms in pairs, the same relationship applies. The sum of a given pair, multiplied by r squared, equals the sum of the next pair, as shown in the diagram. This means the sum of terms in pairs forms a new GP with common ratio r squared. We are given that the sum of the first two terms is 9, so the first term of the new GP is 9. Also we are given that the sum to infinity is 36. Using the formula for the sum to infinity to relate the two, we have 9 over 1 minus r squared equals 36. After some simple algebra, we get to r squared equals 3 over 4. We also know that all terms are positive. This means r is positive. Therefore the answer is r equals root 3 over 2. This is the answer required. This is much neater than the standard method shown earlier since we are only solving one equation instead of two. Also, we avoid introducing a new variable, a, for the first term of the GP, which we don't really need. And more importantly, we avoid being sidetracked into the long method, trying to find a first before finding r. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.